Yes, well,
Really, like amateur. You saw his cast or not? Huh? Eh, don't lah. I tengah eating. But really, his cast was a bit amateur compared to his normally Ubin's cast. Very different, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, CPC. Important is very hard, very tight.
Nice one. Hello guys, we are at Auto Pond today at a beautiful Sunday that we have here. Wayne, Gali, Sunny from Hardcore Surf Duster, Bro Rafi and Timothy, all here to have some fun today and catch up, have some bonding, fishing, you know. Good day to come to the Auto Pond to fish. So stay tuned. So let's see what we catch today. Everybody's just arrived and just getting to know each other. So stay tuned guys. Catch you guys later. Alright. Guys, this is the way that Abang Sunny rigs up the hooks for the bait. So,
Oh, patin bait ah.
You don't put a black meat, you makan saya macam. I tried, so far I tried patin. I caught patin. Kena strike.
Tunggu dulu.
We will drop Okay. Belum kena mulut. Belum tarik lagi.
Belum lagi. Tuan jahat lagi. Dia kalau makan selalu dia punya rod akan turun sekali. Okay, ini this one when you press as a like something like bomb like that important is very hard, very tight, very tight.
Okay.
Because when you one in the water, they will be expand. Then the left and the hook only.
I see.
The hook I got few pieces that on the hook. Okay. Okay. You good.
You cast like macam kau lagi. Tak pernah tengok kau discuss.
No, you know why?
Tak biasa.
Tak biasa.
Betul jadi macam amateur lah. Really like amateur. You saw his cast or not? Huh? Eh, don't lah. I tengah eating. But really, his cast was a bit amateur compared to his normally Ubin's cast. Very different, no?
Asyik dengar clicker lah sikit.
First one for the day.
Yes. DJ kacau sikit lah.
Okay, not bad.
Mengacau je.
Okay, first one for the day. Thank you bro.
Kau tak kena.
DJ what is that?
Hook never debug. That's why kena. Correct or not? If the hook is debuff, I doubt he will get it.
Dibab lah. Okay. Catch and release. Oh, Jali already has a bite.
Okay, asal sangat.
Jadi
Lari
dia
ke sana. Hook.
Ah.
This is small patin. okay for the beginning. This one you can bring back.
Release lah. Bring back, I tell you. Confirm I take one more video, I tell you. Betul gua angkat video. You bring back, gua angkat video. Betul.
So guys, the method really works within 5 minutes.
I think so.
Yeah. So see the next rig.
Yeah. Tapi ni kali nanti yang next punya saya try pasang.
Okay, okay.
Saya belajar.
Boleh, boleh. So maybe other fish I'm not so good. I think so. Maybe patin I can
Can target.
can make a bait, a good bait. I mean,
Sana kasih cantik. Kita kasih
Bulu hara lah.
kita rabus je.
Bulu hara.
So you just
layang, just follow through. Just follow
So
through.
overhead boleh lah.
Yeah, overhead.
Okay, okay, try. Akan orang nak kasih kita je.
Right, never you.
Kalau sila jangan marah.
No. The important thing that you need to try. You need to test which one is more suitable.
Correct.
Which one is the effective, very fast, reaction very fast. Then you can make use of that.
Yeah. It's more of a trial error kind of thing. So
At first you can try error. When you get something that really reaction very fast, you keep it. That is the best bait for time being they use.
Okay guys, we have few rigs here from Eurasian Anglers for us to try. Shout out to TJ, Timothy James, to give us a few rigs to try.
yeah, so we're gonna try this later. And shout out to Eurasian Angler for sponsoring us these rigs. Thank you, bro. We'll try it out today. Okay guys, here's the fish. We're gonna hook it at this area down here using Eurasian Anglers rig, like so.
Of course, debug.
Dibab. Okay, the fish is like that. Cast. Pelan-pelan. Tarik. Oh. I think cross line with me. Tapi tak apa lah, tarik je. Kan? Cross line.
Tarik je. Oh, kau punya.
Di cross line, tapi tak apa.
Alamak, dia juga.
Aku ini patin lah.
This one is for
Ni apa ni ikan lampan seko kan?
Ampan ni. Ya. CPC. CPC ya.
Okay. Can see the leader.
Yeah,
Oh,
CPC.
nice, CPC.
This is CPC. Okay, hold.
Yes.
Yeah, CPC. This is Thailand catfish. Okay, wanna take picture? Huh?
Ui. Ya, tu dia.
Tarik dengan gaya-gaya lah.
Iyalah.
I think retail.
Retail.
I think. Oh, pacu. Pacu lah pacu.
Dah.
Pacu tadi. Wah, sama saiz dia.
Nah, nah.
Nah.
Oh, yes. Tu dia.
Iyalah orang dia.
Oh,
Itulah orangnya.
I have a pacu there. Yeah, it is one beautiful pacu. Yes, look at that.
Ke arah sini.
Okey, 1, 2, 3.
Ikan dia pun senyum tak nampak.
Right. Yeah, catch and release. Woo. Okay, baik Abang Sari. Yeah, man. Dahsyat.
Rugi pun. Tak nak pakai ikan kan?
Kayak budak. Kau tadi.
Alamak. Kosong. Never mind.
Abang Sani, tak mau pergi. Ha? Tak balik.
Saya dah cakap bang lagi 2-3 kali bang pada semua.
Abang Sani, lain 1 jam lah. Tak apa, tak apa. No, this when dark gini, there's a time that kau boleh
Okey.
dia reel nak kena reel.
Yes, Rafiq. Come on, man. Yalah. Macam Rami cakap.
You learn from mistake.
Yep.
Tadi saya rasa saya dah okey.
Different dia punya lari dia punya lari totally.
Tak belum nampak lagi. Bukan.
Oh, patin.
Patin.
Andy,
Yeah.
I tell you what. When you play, this is one ke sini, more pacu.
Oh.
More to this side, more
Pacu, I see.
This is yang kita selalu main lah.
Yeah.
That's why you want kita duduk sini. Orang target pacu.
Pacu lah.
Pacu point tinggi. Ini besar sikit.
Oh.
Oh.
Lari ya.
Ini bukan pacu. Patin. Beradik patin. Tunggu kasih dia penat. Tunggu kepala dia dah naik baru kau tangguh.
Yeah.
Tiga pacu patin.
Nampak apa punya?
Yo. Mana dah makan? Ni dah ada makan dalam nak. Yo. Mana tepat. Jaga Okay. Ambil
Gambar.
some picture.
Run video.
Video.
Yeah, you see that from here. Look at that. What a mighty fish. Yeah, brother.
Alright.
Baik. Okay, release. Yeah, man. Tu dia Zack with a jeng. Kenapa itu? Pacu ah. Oh. Nice. Patin.
nak makan ni lah.
Thank you for watching our videos. Abang Sanusi here and myself bring you this footage from Otto Fishing Pond. Alright, the best. If you want to come down here to fish, please do so. You can come. It's at Yishun area, right?
Yeah, this is Katik.
Katik.
Near to Katik MRT.
Abang Sanusi is also a angler here who likes to come down to Otto to fish. And do give your support to Otto. So see you guys. Hello guys, with me today we have Abang Sani from Hardcore Surfcasters who has graciously invited us to come down to Otto Fishing Pond to fish with him today. So Abang Sani, for the viewers out there, what is the next event for Hardcore Surfcasters?
For the next event after Luring by the Bay, for next month, November, that we have on Southeast Asia Surf Casting Festival on the 24th of November.
Okay.
Next month. Hopefully you guys who like surf casting come and join us and we make this thing happen.
Okay. For those who want to register, where can they register?
Okay, we open the road show on the 2nd of February or 2nd of November at Gary Tackle, and the second road show will be on the 16th of November at Gary Tackle also. So can come and join us for the registration. Everything is there.
I see. Okay. I see. So for today's event, we like to say thank you to Abang Sani for inviting us, because he invited us to join him today for fishing, and we learned a lot of things from Abang Sani. Definitely a lot of tips and tricks regarding fishing at pond area and all this type of thing. So Abang Sani, for the viewers out there, any advice that you want to give them?
For the viewer, for the angler in Singapore, that try to be neutral. I mean that in fishing, or not to involve in any politics or this. And we are angler society. We are everybody. If we can come together, we will be better. In Singapore, it's a small country, but we can produce a very good angler and very good bonding among us. So that is hopefully that all the anglers in Singapore can be together. We can celebrate our fishing and very happily help each other. That is my hope that in future.
I think that's very good. Okay, once again, thank you Abang Sani for inviting us.
To come to join us. Then hopefully we can do it more on this one.
Definitely. So you guys, don't forget Hardcore Anglers next event. Do come down for the road show as well for the actual event. See you guys there. Bye.
Bye.